These are common consumed in Pakistan nationwide. So these are onions, red onions. As you can see the onions. Yan ang lalaki. Ayan, meron pa akong extra kaya lang nagpabili na ako ng kay Fahad. Every month na konsumo namin because we are getting from the shop, and then monthly also we are paying when my brother-in-law sent our monthly budget. So these are 5 kilos. I think 200 rupees 1 kilo. So if you consume that if you convert, in peso, that is 20 pesos. 200 rupees here. And I have still here, but I tell Fahad already to buy also 5 kilogram on also these potatoes. Same also, I think 200 rupees, so 20 pesos per kilo. And these are example of dried beans. So they call it this one mash dal. So I'm cooking also this one once a month or 1 week, once a week. And also this one mungo beans, and also this one they call it here masur dal. This also like mash dal like this. But this one red kidney beans, I always cook this one once a week. So today I cook also red kidney beans. And this one 5 kilogram sugar. I don't know, same also maybe 200 rupees per kilo. So 20 pesos per kilo. 5 kilos this one. And this is basmati. As you can see yung bottle o malalaki, basmati ito. And this is Lipton. We are using this one for tea. And long time when I come here, 1996, this kind of this brand of Lipton tea we are using. Many kind of of tea they are using here, but mostly people here in our village and some also in cities, they are using also this Lipton yellow level tea. And this is turmeric powder. Because when I cook saute, always I'm using this one. And this is chili powder and salt and detergent powder. And this is sabon, soap, Palmolive. Before we are using Lux, Safeguard. Now we are shipped to this Palmolive. This is very good. And this one, sometimes we are using Sunsilk, Head and Shoulder. So there is no available. That's why Fahad this Lifebuoy. So yesterday he bring this Fahad because some already finished our consume. So these are common consume. And this is oil, 5 liters. We are not buying by pack, not unlike there in Philippines. You can buy 1 peso like that. But here, we are buying by bottle. Ayan, oh. So ito yung konsumo namin monthly. And aside from rice, of course, I'm cooking always this chapati roti. And by sacks also, we are getting from the shop. So Fahad, someone bring here before yesterday 2 sacks, this equivalent to 20 kilogram, and this is I don't know what kind of flour. This one plain. So many brand of wet flour here, but this one is good also. And what is more, and gas cylinder, of course, we are using also gas cylinder. Here we put here gas cylinder here. And this is what you call this, stove. So ito lang yung aking masishare, and ito yung common talaga na ginagamit dito pang araw-araw. Especially this oil. Every day we are using this oil, then onions, garlics, tomatoes. But garlics we are not buying because we have our own organic garlics. And last 3 days ago we planted onions, so inshallah next year of May we will harvest onions, so we will not buy at the time onions. By this time we are buying, and also potatoes. My husband also is planning to plant potatoes, so inshallah next year we will not buy also. There are so many kinds of dried beans here, but this one is our favorite, this red kidney beans. So I always cook this one once a week or twice a week. And this one also sometimes once a week or like that. Or this one also mungo beans. And this one mashed dal. Many kinds of dried beans here, but these 4 kinds of dried beans I'm always using. And this basmati, this very expensive kind of basmati. Many kinds of, there are so many kinds of basmati also. There is expensive and there is also cheap. But this one I think is 450 rupees per kilo. So if you convert that one in Philippines, maybe 100, less than 100 or 80 pesos. This kind of basmati, because 400 or 400 to 500 rupees per kilo this one. And this is very nice also kind of basmati. And this is very good for biryani, or even not biryani, because I always cook this one, this kind of basmati, because I cannot live without rice. Rice is life. So every day or every 2 days I cook rice also. And but this rice and this wheat flour, kubos, yun, instead of rice, yung pinaka substitute ng rice ay yung ano, yung chapati. So every time I cook also chapati and also rice. And you can see this also, yung ano nila, yung sugar, ang lalaki, 'di ba? Hindi kagaya sa atin yung mapino. I keep 1 sack of wheat flour here, and one more is over there. Yan. This gas cylinder is empty, and one we are using. So this flour every day I'm mixing also, and I have still extra here. So today I will not mix flour. And by mixing flour, I'm using this machine. One of my sponsor from Australia, she sent me money, then I buy from here in Rawlakot. 2-3 years ago, I think, this one kneading machine. So if there is no light, so I make manual. If so there is light, then I'm using this one every day. And so today I will not cook rice, because I cook today red kidney beans curry. My siblings, they like this too much. So ito na yung rice na aking niluto. Ayan, doon ako sa labas nagluto ng rice, kung saan ako nagboil ng ano, ng red kidney beans. So kaya makikita nyo yung aking lumang kasirola ay maitim.